In this video, I'll show you how to stop those annoying McAfee alerts on your Windows PC for good. First, open your default web browser. This can be Chrome or Edge. Click on the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner. Then go to Extensions and select Manage Extensions. If you see any McAfee extensions, just click Remove to delete them. Next, click on the three-dot menu icon again and go to Settings. From the left pane, select Privacy and Security. Now scroll down and click on Site Settings. In the Permissions section, click on Notifications. Scroll down to the section called Allowed to Send Notifications. Here, look for the McAfee website. Mine not showing. If in your browser it is showing, then click the three-dot icon next to it and select Block. And that's it. Once you complete these steps, McAfee alerts will no longer pop up on your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.